jet truck down the runway. Maximum speed diving down on the T6 Texan of Bill Lepp is close to 200 miles an hour. He's going to have a diving start. The Shockwave jet truck, on the other hand, will have a standing start. You want to hear some power? Straight out in front of you. Let's listen. Is from Dayton, Ohio, the city that taught the world to fly. Pyrotechnics given to us by the award-winning Rich's Incredible Pyro. Wow. And the weather system is from Shockwave himself. Wow. And this was going to be a quiet evening. Guess not. So here's the question, ladies and gentlemen. With a jet truck that can travel at speeds of up to 376 miles per hour from a standing start, and a World War II advanced trainer that can go about 200 miles an hour in a shallow dive, we're going to race them by your screaming and applause. How many of you think that the jet truck will win the race? How many of you think the airplane will win the race? It's about even. That's what we like to hear. Well, let's take a look. We've got fires going out there, and Kent Shockley, the son of the legendary jet car designer Les Shockley, is at the controls. When Kent turned 16 years old, his daddy Les handed him the keys and said, "Drive fast." He's smoking them up there. Bill Lepp is going out to the right. He's going to extend out to the limits of the aerobatic area, turn in and dive in from a height of about 500 feet, pushing it onto the red line. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we've got us a race. Get some pictures. We want to put this on Air Show Buzz. Not this time.